Good morning, Rich Nass with Open Systems Media here for day 2 of Embedded World. I'm in the UDOO booth. It's Hall 4, booth 535, and as you can see, we got some interesting things going on here. I'm going to start with Maurizio, and he's going to tell us about the new carrier board that they're shipping and some of the modules that go with it. Hello, Maurizio.
Hello. Hi, everybody.
Sorry, I hope it's okay if I stand in front of you. You don't mind, do you?
This is our mascot, UDOO Sorky. And this is the UDOO X86. That is our last UDOO board. The UDOO board are a series of boards dedicated to the makers community, educational purpose, and a rapid prototyping tool. And in this case, the board is the same concept of all UDOO board, to put together the Arduino plus a computer plus a CPU that can run Linux, Android, and in this case is Intel powerful x86 processor that can run Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, all the system, and can run all the standard Linux OS. Then you can download the last version of Linux, like Ubuntu. You can put the the USB key inside. You can install the OS. It's very simple. The other characteristic is that you can reuse all that you can find on the Arduino community, sketch and application. You can reuse in this board, and you can program it directly with this board using Linux or Windows. This board, as you can see, is like a standard computer. Here you have the new generation M2 connector for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and for SSD hard driver. You can have you have the SATA, you have the micro SD, you have eMMC internal memory. Then you can have a working board, developing board, where you can put many OS together and choose what OS you need for your developing and for your application. This is an example of application of the UDOO X86. As you can see on the back, you have the...
You have to stay by the microphone.
On the back you have the UDOO X86. You have a shield like for the Arduino part that control the motor of the robot, and you have the USB interface to control the dock. In this case, this is this robot is based on ROS, Robot OS, and you can design in a very simple and fast way something like this, a robot like this. In this case, we use also the Arduino part that is based on Curie for the part on neural networks, with the possibility to learn to the robot some movement and some application that can perform.
So how would somebody get more information on that board?
Regarding this board, you have also the possibility to connect 3 simultaneous monitors.
But how would somebody get more information? Where would they go to find more information?
Okay. To find more information, you can go in the udoo.org website.
www.udoo.org. And we're going to move on to the IoT demonstration here. I'm going to bring in Giovanni to talk about IoT.
Hello. What I'm going to show you is our idea and implementation of IoT world. Sorry, Francesco. Just a moment. What we have here is one of our main board, the UDOO, which is the dedicated platform for IoT. It is an Arduino side board which runs the IMX6 Solo X, which embeds a single core ARM computer and an M4 microcontroller. So we can connect sensor and connect the board to the internet to exchange data with sensors or actuators. What is happening here is that after that we try to develop for example, with this board, the UDOO Blue. This is a natural extension for GPIO, our sensor and actuators. What does it mean? That we can connect that dongle to our board and also connect to these sensors or control motors, other things. We have our set of sensors, for example, barometric, pressure, temperature, gesture. We can send the data from the Bluetooth dongle to the UDOO Neo and then to the cloud. So what's happening here, for example, we have a gas sensor connected to...
Whoa. What are you going to do with that?
This is the value.
Very interesting.
And automatically...
What he did was he has the lighter over there and he's not lighting it but allowing the gas to escape.
It opened the window. This is just an easy implementation, but it's just to...
and it opened the window on the house when it recognized the gas. Very good.
This is a very simple implementation that allows to the user to understand the capabilities of IoT and what does it mean to develop with IoT solution. We started from the hardware, then moved to the software, and after that we want to move all this knowledge and all these ideas to the cloud part. So this is our UDOO IoT environment, which is a cloud system, where all the user can customize his view. That's what we did. We choose our home, we connect the sensor, we can read the data, then we can also add some logic, so action, reaction, and here, for example, it's another part, so related to the garbage truck, but it's too close, okay?
Very good.
And
see it. As he moved the truck closer, the sensor went off.
Sensor. Yeah, that's something like this. And each UDOO user can use this platform to create its cloud version. So, because the IoT is very interesting, but it's very huge, and for developers it's not easy to get in touch with this, because we have to manage hardware, software, interactions, exchanging data. And what we're going to do is to create an environment to let the user to get it easy to directly touch with hands what does it mean develop for IoT.
Very good. So one more time, for more information, udoo.org.
Yeah, you can go on the website and find all the information related with and all the resources. So schematics if you want to do your hardware, software and all the sources if you want to develop your software. And also we try to provide you also a lot of tutorial for from the entry level to the professional and high level programmers.
Very good. Well, thank you very much. That was very educational.
Welcome. It was a pleasure.